Today I'm gonna teach Rishikesh as well as you guys how to make an easy peasy lemon squeezy chocolava cake with just 3 ingredients. All you need is 1 pack of Oreo biscuit, some milk and some chocolates. Now we have to steam it for 5 minutes, not more than that. Okay? Look at this! Yummy yummy! Let's taste it. Look at this! I think somebody used to watch lots of cooking channels. Rishi, don't sleep! Wake up! Wake up! Tell me how it tastes.
So everyone, don't forget to try this at home. It's so tasty.
Look at Rishikesh. He is very busy. I don't want to disturb him. So everyone, bye bye. See you in the next episode. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. This is Kiki.